Hello guys, today we are going to make bar graph. So I have two columns here, X, Y, and in the X that denotes the year and the Y column denotes the price of Bitcoin, which is a popular cryptocurrency. So we'll make a simple bar graph now. So select the two axes, go to plot, basic 2D, column plot. Okay, so we got our bar graph. Now we will edit it a little bit. So that's it, that's our bar graph. Suppose you want to add more data points. Sometimes this method of plotting is it's not good. So maybe we can plot it with respect to the y axis. So I will show you how to do that. So look at this book. So I have more number of data points and I will show you how to plot it with respect to the y. So select these two, then go to plot, basic 2D, set as center. Okay. So this graph looks much more better and it has more number of data points. You can see in April 2011 the price is close to zero, but look at April 2021 the price is close to $60,000. So I will edit this graph a little bit. So now we got our graph. So I will just export this graph. I'll go to file, export graph. So that's how you'll get the bar graph. So thank you for watching this video.